Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we've got asbestos siding repair. These can be super hard to find, and nobody wants to deal with asbestos. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'll do my bestest. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. Now you can have the Home Mender in your pocket with the new home repair DIY digital guides. Easy just got easier. So we're going to try not to break any of this other stuff. So we're going to get behind these nails with our pry bar. Gently pull them out. Now these guys actually butt to each other. So I've got these broken. Like that would go up there like that, but it's broken already and it's broken here. And I probably want to get something on this corner to cover it up. I mean, it's definitely rotting, but the guy's not wanting to get into that right now. I'm gonna try to break this off in a straight line with this chisel. That looks pretty good. Alright, I've got my 1/4-inch luan triple coated with exterior flat color matched paint. So I need a 37 by 12. You can mark that here. But I don't have a straight edge long enough to mark this guy. So I'm going to roll my tape over to 12 and put my finger right there and then scribe the line with the tape measure. Sweet. Now I could cut this and put them in there in 2 separate pieces, but it seems like adding seams is not a good idea in this instance. I'm going to measure over the 24, and then I'm going to make a line because that's where the break in the board is on the siding pattern. So I'm going to draw a line here, and then I'm going to move it over just a little bit and draw another line because I wanted to have some depth. Alright, let's see if we can dry fit the new piece. There we go. Ooh, this is good. And we gotta get it up behind this guy. Nice. And I can see a gap in this board here, and I can see the edge of my new board. I want to make sure I get this one filled as well. I don't want the water running in behind this board. So you can see my sweet faux grout line right there, a little artistic style. It's tough to find these tiles, and the best you can do is just replace them with what you feel is the best for your situation. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.